Hi, Adam here with Team Brushfire. In this video, we're going to dive into buyer fields and how to set those up. If you have questions about the difference between buyer fields and attendee fields, feel free to check out our overview video of what are buyer fields and what are attendee fields. Let's get started. From my event dashboard, I'm going to launch buyer fields. So like we covered in the other video, buyer fields are exactly like attendee fields, except you have a couple differences. And those big differences are you can't have a capacity and you can't have a price in buyer fields. Buyer fields are only asked for the person that is registering or paying for the registrant. So for my buyer question here, I simply wanted to know, how did you hear about Brushfire Learn? To add fields, click Edit, and then we can click Add Field. If I want to add something else here, then I can do that. I can choose from all of the options, drop down, checkbox, radio buttons. I can even have a date or an acceptance. So if I want people to agree to my terms that they will not record or share any of the video content, I could add that here. So I have asked my question, do you agree to the terms? And we can also see what the options are. There are no extra options for an acceptance field. Here, under my How Did You Hear About Brushfire Learn, I have three options: internet, friend, and social media. And so that's a drop-down box. Whenever people go to register, they'll have to answer that question. Whenever the buyer has made all of the selections for their registrant types, this will be the first question they see: how did you hear about us? And then our acceptance field. You can make this as simple or as complex as you would like. It really comes down to what information you're trying to gather. If you have more questions, feel free to check out our help documentation. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.